Hello and welcome to the Happy Homemaker. Today we're going to be making a super cool recipe called Impossible Pie. Here's a list of ingredients. Let's get started. Use some of the melted butter to grease your pie dish and set that aside. And in a large bowl, add in your eggs and mix well. And now add in your sugar and mix well. Add in the melted butter and mix again. Now add in your vanilla and mix. Now add in the flour and the baking powder and the milk and mix that all together. And lastly, mix in the coconut. And pour that all into a deep pie dish. And now place it in the oven, in a preheated oven at 350 for 50 minutes. And now just set it to cool for about an hour before placing it into the fridge to completely chill. And this is what it looks like when it's all finished. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you want to see more recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe to The Happy Homemaker. Enjoy!